Please subscribe to the Tech channel, like it and share it. Sri Padmavati Medical College for women. Through NEET UG test, location Alpuri Road, Tirupati, established year 2014, type government, courses offered MBBS, MD, exam through NEET user, NEET PG, ranking, All India ranking 264, All India ranking 264, NRI ranking 49. Affiliated with Sri Venkateswara Institute of Medical Science, Tirupati. Approved by NMC, National Medical Commission. Gender, coeducation, faculty count 527, campus size 50 acres, hostel facility yes, official website here. svimstpt.ap.nic.in Medical College. This is a official website. Courses offer MBBS and MD or MS. MBBS duration 4.5 plus 1 year internship. Intake capacity 175 seats. Admission process, eligibility criteria 10+2 examination or its equivalent examination with 50% mark for UG course, undergraduate course through entrance exam NEET UG. Next, fee structure, MBBS merit category, fees 77,100 rupees. Hostel fees 4,000 per month. So for MBBS and PC courses. Next, cutoff scores. ST, here you can see 2022 and 2023 yearly cutoff. So now we discuss about 2023. ST 487, SC female 502, BCA female 561, OC female 600, EWS female 557, BCE 543, BCB 574, so BCD 578, SC 470, OC 192, so OC female 565, OC physical handicap 181, BCE 509, BCA 518, BCD 519, BCC 587, ST 431, BCB 523.